How's it going, guys? Welcome back on How Today. Today I have prepared for you something very interesting and long forgotten. When you had Windows 7 or Windows 8, we had a lot of gadgets, and today we will bring them back. You can go to the browser, you can use any browser and go to this link right here, which will be in the description. And as you can see, this is the old vintage gadgets that we all had, and even some new gadgets that were added on. But this is an extension from a third party which we need to download in order to have the gadgets on our Windows 10 or 11. Do not worry, as you can see, this program is always updated or always up to date. So simply click on download, and once it is downloaded, we will have the installation, which will take a minute or two, not too long, and we can click on finish. And as you can see on the right side, it has popped up and we have our gadgets, guys. So we can add or remove them. We can modify them in order, and not every, but some gadgets have additional options. For example, weather, you can choose where you're from, time, the time zone, but it's automatically selected with your computer. So basically, you can, as I said, adjust them, and you can see there is some options here for the weather, the style and look. But when you click on the top right corner, this old window will pop up, and here we have a bunch of gadgets and their description as it is written down there. So you can choose any gadget that you want, simply double click on it and you will add it to your gadget window on the right side. So basically, guys, that is it. There is a bunch of features here and a bunch of gadgets that you can look up to and see what is the appropriate one for your computer and for your needs. I hope this was a useful tutorial for you all, guys, and we hope to see you in the next one also. Bye.